Today I'm making a simple and delicious spicy paneer curry. This dish takes about 20 to 30 minutes to make. Today I'm using one pack of paneer. For that I'm dicing one large onion into smaller pieces. Slice up some green chilies as required. Dice one large tomato. You would also require some ginger garlic paste, which I had prepared earlier. Heat the pan and add some oil. Add cardamom, cloves, red chili, cumin seeds, and the cinnamon and saute. Add the onion and green chilies we had prepared earlier. Saute occasionally till the onion turns translucent. You can add a pinch of salt to speed up the cooking process. Add the ginger garlic paste and saute till the raw smell goes off. Add the chopped tomatoes. Mix everything well and cook the tomatoes till they become a little bit mushy. Now add salt as required. About a half teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon red chili powder. 1 tablespoon coriander powder. A quarter teaspoon of cumin powder. 1 tablespoon of garam masala. You can adjust the spices according to your spice levels. Mix everything well. Add a splash of water to it so that the spices mixes well. When it's done, just turn off the flame and set it aside. In the meantime, cut the paneer into smaller cubes. Add the mixture from earlier into a blender. Blend everything smoothly. Transfer it to the pan earlier and heat it on medium flame. Add some curd or yogurt if you like a tangy taste in your paneer curry. Here I've added 1 tablespoon of yogurt. When it boils, just add the paneer we had diced earlier. Mix everything. Cover and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Check this if every seasoning is right. Add some salt if you need it. And garnish with some coriander leaves. This paneer curry is spicy and a little bit tangy because of the yogurt. If it's too spicy, you can cut it down with some lime juice or some more yogurt. You can pair it with any chapati, roti, or any other flatbreads of your choice. It goes well with rice as well. Do let me know if you try it out.